your seat, like whichever you're comfortable with. If you want to switch with someone else, it's totally fine. And just a few reminders to make this event memorable for both the couples and all of us, the guests. Please refrain from using your phone while the ceremony is ongoing, just to pay tribute and respect to the couples and the ceremony itself. And you can take photos and videos, that's totally fine, just as long as you're not standing and you're not blocking the people behind you or beside you, so they can also see the beautiful bride and the groom. And there's a couple washrooms. It's located on that door on your right if you need to take a small bathroom break. And the ceremony will begin shortly. Thank you.
Kailangan kumuha kami para sa immigration.
Opo. Tama. Number 1 po yan.
Number 1 talaga yan sa immigration.
Yan din yung ano ko, inuna ko eh.
Yan na. Back up ka din ha.